Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about active cell property, offset property, and an array. So what is an active cell property? Active cell property refers to a cell in an Excel spreadsheet that is currently selected. So if I click on D2, then D2 will be the active cell. So how can we implement this in Visual Basic for application? So let's type our code here. Let's type sub space. The name of our procedure is active cell. So let's type active underscore cell, close and open bracket. Then let us type range D5 dot select. Then if we execute our code, D5, range D5 will be selected. So let's click on A1. So currently A1 is our active cell, but if we execute our code, let's run our code, then D5 is now the active cell. In relation with offset, let's type our code. So what is an offset property? So offset property is used to move or refer to a reference, skipping a particular number of rows and columns. So let's name our procedure as offset property. So sub space offset underscore property, close and open bracket, open and close bracket, space. So let's type active cell dot offset. Then the first number is the row. So 0, 0. In this case, we selected D5. So D5 is, the reference of D5 is 0, 0. Let's try to execute our code. So let's move our code to D1. Then let's run our VBA code. So now, the selected cell is now D5. Let's try to add more code. So with the active cell, let's put value, that value is equal to hello world. Let's change our font size to 20. Our font color is equal to RGB 255 255 255. That font, that interior, that color is equal to RGB 81 space 133 space 154. So let's put end width. So let's try to run our code. So now our selected cell is now, the value now is hello world. So let's change our font size to 12. And then run our code. Then font size is now smaller. So what if we will change the value of the row into -3? So when we put negative numbers, then our row will move up. So from D5, it will go up to D2. So from D4, it is 1, D3, it is 2, and then D2 is 3. So let's try to change our code, and then let's run our code. So let's change our value to hello D2. This is -3. Run. So it's now in D2. We put -3. What if we will put +3 on the row? So if we put positive number, then the row will move down. So it will move to D6, D7, D8. So 1, 2, 3. So it will be in D8. So this will be in D8. Let's try to run our code. Then voila, it's in D8. So what if we will also change our column to -3? So sorry, this is not -3, this should be +3. Okay, so if -3, then our column will go to the left. So from D5, it will go to the left. So C5, 1, B5, 2, then A5, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So if -3, then the active cell will move to A5 when we change the column to -3. Let's run our code. Then it's now in A5. What if we will change to +3? So if we change to +3, then our column will go to the left. Sorry, it will go to, if positive number, it will go to the right. So if we change to +3, then it will go to the right. So from 1, E5, 2, F5, 3, G5. So it will be in G5. So let's run our code. Then now the active cell is now in G5. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe if you want to be updated with my upcoming video. On my next video, we will tackle about array. So what is an array? An array is a special kind of variable that can store multiple values of the same data type. So we will be learning about a simple one-dimensional dynamic array and static array. Thank you and God bless.